Ceramic coatings have gained immense popularity in recent years as an effective way to protect your car's paintwork. These coatings create a strong barrier that repels water, dirt, and other contaminants, making it easier to clean your car and maintain its appearance. However, applying ceramic coating can be a tricky process, and if you make mistakes, you may end up with a subpar finish. In this video, we'll discuss some of the top mistakes to avoid when applying ceramic coating. Applying ceramic coating to your car can be a daunting task, but avoiding these common mistakes can help you achieve a beautiful and durable finish. Skipping the prep work. Not using the correct applicator. Applying too much coating. Not following the curing process. Not protecting the coating during the initial curing process. Applying the coating in high temperatures. Not wearing gloves or protective gear. Not allowing enough time between layers. Using a dirty applicator. Applying the coating in a dusty or windy environment. Applying the coating to a dirty or wet surface. Not reading the instructions. The good news is that about Santa Monica window tinters ensure to offer their clients strong and clean tinting work. Santa Monica Tinters does their work with an amalgamation of tools and materials. Further, they offer an extensive range of services such as window tinting, paint protection film, ceramic coating, car wraps, clear bra, calipers paint, and full mechanical services and tuning. Come contact or call us now for more information.